please don't drink and drive. Hello everything! This is Gabby here. Welcome back into my channel if you are back. And to those who are new, welcome. This is Gabby here, guys. And your home cook, your home mixologist. So, all home, yeah? So, what are you gonna do today? We are going to make a Piña Colada. We have piña here. And of course, Piña Colada. Of course, Piña Colada is very typical on the summer. And of course, it's really nice in a glass. It's very Instagrammable and stuff like that. And it's often served to us, and we look at in the glass. It's served in a glass like this, and we're like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Maybe it's too complex to mix. No, not really. So what we're gonna do is to mix it, and we tried it, you know. You can offer it to your friends again, to your family, you know. Claim it. I made this. Why not? So we only need, basically you only need 3 ingredients. We have pineapple, of course, and the rum. Oh, this is vodka. Oh my god, so much booze in this house. We have the rum here. We have the rum, and of course, guys, if you have a frozen pineapple like this one, then use it, okay? And we have coconut milk. You need half cup of it. And if you like it more sweeter, because you don't want it, you don't want the taste of the booze, you know. If the booze is the rum, of course. If you don't want the taste or the booze, you can add a little bit of the syrup in it. Yeah, you can make your own syrup. You can just 1 for 1. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar. Then that is the excuse me. So that is the 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and then you have your own syrup. So let's bring it on. Okay, one more thing. If you don't like booze in it, just make a simple pineapple shake. Pineapple shake. I'm also gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna show you how to create these and stuff. So if you don't like booze in your drink, so just limit the rum. You don't need to put, okay? It's very simple and easy. It's like that. Yeah, let's bring it on. Come on. drop the frozen pineapple. Yeah. And a half cup of coconut milk. All right. Yeah. Oh yeah, so this. So as easy as it gets. It's ready. So there you go. I open this up and there is the juice in it. Yeah, so if you don't like to put booze, as I've said again earlier, just put this one back here, or you can put it in another glass, or you know. So put this in. No, this is. So we have some decor here. Decor, of course. Very good. This way. Oh yeah, that is more beautiful. So there you go. This is our piña colada. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Oh yeah. So easy to mix. And guys, remember this just has the booze, of course. But if you don't like booze, you have your pineapple shake here, smoothie, whatever. Oh yes, we are done. So give it a try, and don't forget you have booze in this, okay? You have booze. So be prepared before you put. Please don't drink and drive. That's the best thing there, yeah? So you have to try it. Oh yeah, it's yeehaw time. So hope you like it, guys, and I hope you give it a try. It's not really complicated to make. It's way too easy. And as you've seen, I did not put syrup in there because the pineapple is enough sweet already. And of course, I am sweet. So I will see you again. Thank you so much for joining again today. And of course, I will see you again. It's Gabby here. And I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone. I love you all. Thank you. Thank you. So